For most engineers, sky is just the limit. But for ISRO, sky is just the beginning. Hi, I am Adarsh, channel Pagal Dada, and today we'll be breaking down the intern journey of a student. A student of mechanical engineering studying at NIT Hamirpur has done an intern at ISRO. And at the end, we'll also be looking at how to land an intern at ISRO. So stay tuned to the last of the video. Till then, enjoy the experience.
Now,
Hmm.
talking about my second, which is at ISRO Satish Dhawan Space Center.
Hmm.
There I work in design of Earth storable propellants tank and about cryogenic storage propellants tank. Like, see,
Hmm.
cryogenic storage basically come for not three main propellants. One is nitrogen, like liquid
Hmm.
nitrogen at minus 196 degrees Celsius. Second one is hydrogen. Third one is oxidizer. We can say oxygen. So
Hmm.
liquid oxygen remain at minus not 20 Kelvin only.
Hmm.
20 Kelvin means you can assume like 20 Kelvin like 273, and you can uh, from 273 to approximately like around 250
Two-
minus
253.
250 we can
Ah.
say.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Hmm.
so minus 250 degrees Celsius. And another one is hydrogen.
Hmm.
Liquid hydrogen remains at 5 Kelvin. As you can
Hmm.
see, they have to maintain very low temperature. As if I told you why there should be in liquid only, then you can assume that for the expansion of nitrogen from liquid to gas is 1 is to 1600 by volume.
Okay.
It means the total volume which we store as a liquid form in one tanker, it requires 1600 tanker to store same thing in gaseous form.
Okay.
So you
Hmm.
can assume how much volume we have to store in liquid, and it's why it's
Hmm.
very important. So I have to design vessels. As
Hmm.
we can learn the concept of pressure vessels, if anyone is from mechanical, they will surely relate it. Like
Hmm.
pressure vessels is a concept where hoop stress and longitudinal stress, radial stress, these come in picture
Hmm.
for hemisphere, for cylindrical, and we have to combine both the concept to go for a these type of tank which has hemispherical end and
Hmm.
cylindrical base. So this was the
Okay.
main. It was not a very large, very long duration internship. It was just about 30 days, and I got
Hmm.
opportunity to work in PSLV C60. As you have heard
Gotcha.
about, ISRO has done it successfully docking,
Hmm.
like just in last December.
Hmm.
So that docking, I was also one of the lucky member who got
Hmm.
opportunity to fuel PSLV C60. I was
Okay.
there, yeah, while fueling. It's by Earth Storable Propellants N2O4 and US25. N2O4 is
Hmm.
nitrogen dioxide,
Hmm.
dinitrogen tetroxide, we can say, and US25 is unsymmetrical dimethyl hydrazine.
Hmm.
So these were the fuel which I have worked while fueling PSLV. PSLV means Polar
Acha.
Satellite Launch Vehicle.
Hmm.
C60 is their name, like it's a 60th launch. So that's why its name is PSLV
Hmm.
C60.
So, all right, guys, that's a wrap of Nishant's internship experience at ISRO. I guess you guys got to know a brief idea about how the internship goes like. Even Nishant got to work in a brilliant project of PSLV as well. So, if you are also thinking of landing into ISRO intern, so I have a few things to mention about that. The first step is to go to Google and just write on the tab how to find a ISRO intern. You will be directed to 3 to 4 links over there, which are the official links from ISRO. So you can click any of the links over there. You will find for both ISRO and DRDO. Over there, you can find the minimum eligibility criteria for undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD, all of them. And the minimum number of days to be done, like 30, 60, 120. So it varies according to the range. And other than that, there is one more thing. It is the minimum CGPA and aggregate required. So minimum aggregate is 60% that are required out of 100, 100 percentage, and minimum of 6.32 is required as a CG out of 10. So these are the specifications that are mentioned on the ISRO website itself. So there may be changes as well. So I'll just post the link into the description. You can check that link directly, or you can search over to the Google. So that's all. That's the wrap for today. If you have any doubts regarding ISRO intern or DRDO intern, any intern, do let us know in the comment box.